What's up guys, today let's look at some practical ways of doing shell. So these are the files that we are going to use in our current project, and let me show you the initial script. So as you can see, the first line talks about the interpreter, says Linux that this is the interpreter you should use, and the second line says the source file, the source configuration file, every variable that is mentioned in that configuration file is going to be exported to the script, and it echoes the script. As you can see, that's the configuration file. Let me show you the configuration file so that you understand what's going on. So I have set up name is equal to pro and the log file is equal to temp scripts.log, and let me remove the log that I already have so that you don't get confused. So after removing the log file, let me clear the screen for you and let me run the program for you. So as you can see, the variable input is got exported from the configuration file, and you can see the output on the output of the shell script. Now let me show you the second script. So we are going to invoke a function, so functions, and that's the output you should get. That's the variable that should be assigned to that, and that's how we invoke the function. Now let me send this. Let me hold on for a second here. So this line here, cat one hyphen function, exports the code that is available in this file to the practical.sh script, so that we minimize the time in writing the script. It takes a lot of time to write a script, so just to minimize the amount of time, so I'm exporting that to the practical.sh script. And now let's run the script. As you can see, the function has been called and the output is displayed. The variable from the configuration file is exported and displayed. Now let's look at the way of logging the shell script, the way you log the different values to the shell script. So if you check for the log file, and if the log file is available, that log file, if it is available, you display log available and continue. If it's not available, you say it's not available and you create the log file, and then echo that to the log file and run this our previous function. Now let's push that to our practical.sh script, and you can see the script right below that. So we minimize the amount of time in writing the script so that you guys can understand things better. Let's comment this line because we have couple of functions calls here. Now let's run the script. Oops, practical.sh, and as you can see, log is not available, it is created, and the function called displays the output. And if you can see the script, that's the script it is. And let's display the output. As you can see, this function is called from this script and the logging is enabled now. Let's look at a better example of this. And if you see the total number of arguments, if there are any number less than or greater than 2, it says that no, it's not right, and it displays the error output to the log file. And if 2 arguments are sent to the script, it displays input args. So let's push that script to practical.sh, and as you can see, the practical is, and let's run this program now. So right after running this program, it says input arguments are not right, and it says check the log file for details. And let's look at the log file for details, and the log file says practical.sh error, total input arguments is 0, expected args are 2. Now let's input 2 of the arguments so that you understand the difference. The first argument is name, the second argument is age, and you can see the output input args are name and age. So that's the way of doing it. That's the way of doing shell scripting. I'll have this whole shell script in the description. You can just use it on your any of your projects, and if you find it useful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And of course, if you like it, please do like it and share your thoughts. So this is Vamsi, and thanks for watching.